Yeah, hi, Pharma Secure. I'm Prashant Murdeshwar. I'm the commercial head for this company. So, Pharma Secure is pioneer in the serialization and anti-counterfeiting solutions. We are a US multinational company headquartered in US and even in Delhi, our corporate headquarters. So, today we provide an end-to-end solutions, both hardware and software for the all to meet the global mandates, serialization and regulation mandates for the pharma and even for the non-pharma products, right from the hardware and softwares, primary, secondary, and all those things. And apart from that, we also work for the domestic products, anti-counterfeiting solutions, top 300 to meet top 300 regulations of the mandate of government of India. So that's about Pharma Secure. Thank you.